Hi, my name is Jefferson Chantongan Najmat, and my matrix number is CF210178, and I'm going to present the introduction. This research primarily discussed the management of construction project in conjunction with the idea of sustainable development or green technology, which is supposed to reduce risk. Thus, the idea will be successful in lessening the environmental impact of the construction. With little attention paid to construction management, discussion about green building, green constructions, and green technology have been taking place. To put it briefly, it's all about managing construction using innovative approaches, strategies, equipment tools, and procedures, as well as workmanship and equality, all of which contributed to achieving efficiency, cost savings, durability, and other issues pertaining to sustainable construction. Next, the objective of the study. Number 1, to make students gather information at construction site, enhancing their knowledge acquired through theoretical lecture. Number 2, to motivate students to evaluate the economic, social, and environmental effects of construction project critically. Number 3 is to enhance the communication skills among the student by discussing the process of the project with the developer. For methodology, a site visit was chosen in order to gather practical insights that go beyond academic knowledge. Participants get a first-hand understanding of the challenges and achievements related to the adoption of sustainable features through this immersive practical. The construction site is located at UTSM Parit Raja, Johor, and there are plans to build commercial and industrial building there. Zeta Ventures and Pahat is the project developer involved and in charge of the construction company that has to finish the project. The supervising site engineer was the one who conducted the site visit and interview. So this is the flowchart of assessment.
Hi, my name is Julato Najalop and my matric number is CF210204. For my part, I will present about our plan location and detailing. A project location selection is an important choice that requires careful consideration of many different aspects. And for our location is based at Tun Hussein Onn University Malaysia, Batu, Johor, and project name is construction of a new 2-story data building. Next is on-site aspect. For project overview, a new research and data center building project center at the University Tun Hussein Onn in Parit Raja, Johor. The project client, University Tun Hussein Onn, UTSM, want to provide a new main facilities data center for the university administration to store all UTSM student and staff data. The project principal contractor is Zeta Ventures and Pahat, has 12-month contract to start on 1st February 2032 and should complete on 31 January 2033, but according of the EOT or extension of time, the project will complete on May 2024. For work breakdown, a work breakdown is a systematic split of a project into smaller, easier to manage unit called work package. The systematic and comprehensive breakdown enable project manager to plan and coordinate and oversee the different tasks and activities needed to accomplish project goals. The lowest level of work breakdown structure, or WBS, present individual work package or tasks, whereas its level of progressively more through perspective of the project scope. Work breakdown structure are essential to project management because they simplify large project into simpler to handle and understood component, making resource allocation, cost estimating, scheduling, and overall project control easier. And my last part is a physical progress report. A physical progress report is a long report that offers a true description of the observed development and success made during a particular stage of project life cycle. This report, which focuses on the project physical component, usually include quantitative information and visual that show the progress of the project overall as well as accomplished tasks that reach milestone. It acts as a crucial instrument for stakeholder, providing an open picture of the project progress, pointing out any obstacle, highlighting areas that might require change or intervention to keep it on track. In addition to monitoring the observed result, this report helps with decision making, resource allocation, and performance assessment for successful project management.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Zafarul Hasnizal bin Zalohi, and I talk about Financial Progress Report. A Financial Progress Report is a comprehensive document that provides an overview of an organization's monetary performance over a specific period. information into a company's financial health and the achievement of its financial initiative are provided. A physical progress report, on the other hand, focus on the observable aspect of a company's activities and initiatives. It includes information regarding the state of physical task completion, reach milestone, and the project progress as a whole. Next is sustainable implement in construction. In the construction industry, sustainable implementation means carefully and strategically incorporating social responsibility, environment responsibility, and economic viability into a project design and execution during its whole life. It entails using building techniques, supplies, and technologies that minimize harmful effects on the environment, use less resources, and promote long-term resilience. Using ecologically friendly materials, renewable energy resources, and efficient building techniques are all part of sustainable construction. Renewable energy, solar system. Renewable energy, especially solar energy, plays an important role in addressing global energy challenge, which reducing the environmental impact associated with traditional fossil fuels. Solar systems harness the power of the sun to generate electricity and provide heat for various applications. One of the advantages of solar energy is that this is a renewable. Solar energy is an abundant and renewable resources and provide an inexhaustible source of power. Besides, solar energy generation produce minimal greenhouse gas emission. Therefore, it can reduce the environmental impact and fight climate change.
Okay, this building is about construction of new building for data storage and procurement of equipment. The goal in this building is to store all data for University Tun Hussein Onn Malaysia. There are some sustainable implementation in this building construction project, such as solar system. Therefore, as a result of the site visit that we have made, there are several suggestions for applying sustainable development to this construction of this building.
Okay, firstly is incorporating energy efficient design. This design is to optimize the natural lighting and ventilation. For example, by using energy modeling tool to analyze the building energy performance and optimize its orientation for maximum sunlight exposure. In this tool, you can control the amount of solar energy enter the building while also increase the comfort inside the building. Also, by considering the installation of energy efficient window and shading device to minimize heat gain. Okay, next is prioritize sustainable material. Selection of sustainable material is also one of the roles to make this development project a concept of sustainable development, such as selection of building material with recycled content and consider the selection of local source to reduce transport-related emission. For example, prioritizing material with third-party certificate for sustainability, such as Forest Stewardship Council (FSC) certificate wood and low carbon product. Okay, third is integrating smart building technology. By incorporating smart building technologies such as occupancy sensor and energy management system are to optimize lighting, heating, and cooling based on real-time usage pattern. For example, by reducing the use of light at noon and using light source from the ray of the sun. In addition, the implementation of a building automation system for centralized control and monitoring can also reduce the use of electricity. If there is no movement people in the area, the light and air conditioning will turn off by itself.
So, in conclusion, sustainability is important for the environment and the health of the planet, and it should be primary goal of all new construction in the modern era. During a site visit to the university's new data center building, it was evident and sustainability was a top priority for every aspect of the project. it became clear to us as we evaluate different phases of the building process that the university is changed toward environmentally and energy efficiently designed infrastructure, not just building a data center. Thus, our site visit demonstrate that the construction of the new UTHM data center is more than project rather. It's a symbol of sustainable future. So that's all from us. Thank you.